Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fidelity crypto account, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Fidelity Investments homepage. In the upper right corner, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select accounts from the options provided. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your username for accuracy. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. For added security, ensure your password is strong and not easily guessable. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your mobile device for the authentication code. Input the code in the required field. Once all information is entered, click the Login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, look for the link that says Forgot Username or Password. Click the link and follow the prompts to reset your credentials. After successfully logging in, navigate to the crypto section of your account. Review your account settings to ensure everything is secure. You are now logged into your Fidelity crypto account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.